Question number 3. A person covered a distance of 54 km in 4 hours. Some distance he covered by walking at a speed of 6 km per hour and the remaining distance by at a speed of 18 km per hour. Find the distance covered by walking in kilometer. Let the distance covered by walking be 6 km per hour. 6 into x. 6x. A person covered a distance of 54 km and according to question 54 km in 4 hours. Some distance he covered by walking, that is equal to 6 into x, and remaining distance at a speed of 18 km. 18 into 4 minus x. Sum of x plus 4 minus x, that is equal to 4 hours. Total distance covered by 54 km in 4 hours. So he covered by walking at a speed of 6 km per hour, that is 6x, and remaining at a speed of 18 km per hour, means 18 times of remaining 4 minus x, equal to 54. 54 is equal to 6 into x, 6x plus 18 multiplied by 4, 72, minus 18 multiplied by x equal to 18x, and we are shifting 72 left side, this will be negative, and 6x minus 18x is equal to minus 12x, and 72 minus 54, that is equal to minus 18. So minus minus this will be cancelled, and we get the value of x is equal to 18 divided by 12. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18 hours. X is equal to 3 hours. And we find the distance covered by walking, that is equal to 6x in kilometer. Distance covered by walking is equal to 6 into 3 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. That is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 kilometer. Answer. Let the distance covered by walking be 6 km per hour, that is 6x, and according to question, a person covered a distance of 54 km in 4 hours. Some distance he covered by walking at a speed of 6 km per hour and remaining distance at a speed of 18 km per hour. So 6 times of x and remaining time, that is 4 minus x into 18. So 18 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 72, and 18 multiplied by x is 18x. This will be negative, and minus 18x plus 6x, that is equal to minus 12x. 72 is shifting left side. This will be negative, and subtracting 54 minus 72, that is negative 18. Negative is cancelled, and we get x is equal to 18 upon 12, that is equal to 3 upon 2 hours. 3 upon 2 hours. So distance covered by walking equal to 6x, 6 into 3 upon 2, 3 2s are 6, and 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 km. Answer. Question number 4. A train moving at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses another train moving in the same direction at a speed of 24 km per hour in 30 seconds. What will be the sum of the lengths of two trains? Let L1 and L2 be the lengths of two trains. According to question, L1 plus L2, sum of the lengths of two trains divided by, if the train moving at a speed of 60 km crosses another train moving in the same direction. In case of same direction, 60 km per hour minus 24 km per hour, subtracting, that is equal to 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour equal to 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So L1 plus L2 upon 36 km per hour. 36 multiplied by 5 upon 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36 equal to 30. 5 twos are 10 seconds. So L1 plus L2 is equal to 5 twos are 10. 10 multiplied by 30, and L1 plus L2 is equal to 300 meter per second. Answer. Let L1 and L2 be lengths of two trains according to question. Their sum, if a train is moving at the speed of 60 km and another train moving in the same direction, then we subtract 60 km minus 24 km, that is equal to 36 km per hour. And their sum L1 plus L2 upon 36 km, and 36 km change into meter per second. We multiply 36 by 5 upon 18. 18 ones are 18 and 18 twos are 36. 2 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 10. and we are multiplying 10, cross multiplying by 30. So we get 30 into 10, 300 meter per second answer. Question number 5. A person crosses a street 1800 meter long in 5 minutes. What is his speed in kilometer? Length is equal to 1800 meter and time equal to 5 minutes. Time is equal to 5 multiplied by 60 per hour, 300 per hour. Time is equal to, so required speed is equal to 1800 upon 300 multiplied by 18 upon 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18 into 6 is equal to 108 upon 5. Change in kilometer. 108 5. 5 2s are 10, 8. 5 1s are 5, 3.0. 5 6 are 30. 21.6 kilometer per hour. Answer. Given length is 18 meter per second and time is equal to 5 minutes. 5 multiplied by 60, that is equal to 300. And speed is equal to, distance is 1800 and time is 300 multiplied by meter change in kilometer, that multiplied by 18 upon 5. 0 0 is cancelled and 3 6 are 18. So 18 6 are 108 divided by 5. 108 divided by 5, that is 21.6 kilometer per hour. Answer. Thank you so much.